Okay, in this problem what they have asked, warping. If you see this type of a diagram, then you should understand they have asked to calculate the temperature stresses or warping stresses. Okay, so obviously they will be giving thickness of the pavement 25 centimeter, thickness of the pavement 25 centimeter, and transverse joint 11, Lx equal to 11 meter, Ly equal to 3.6 longitudinal joint. Modulus of subgrade reaction K equal to 0.069 Newton per mm cube. So I can directly, here only I can see it is K equal to 6.9 kg per centimeter cube. Here only I can understand. Temperature differential for day condition is 0.6 degree per centimeter. So this has to be multiplied with 25 to get small t. This is per centimeter slab thickness difference. So multiplied by 25. Assume radius of loaded area. This is A, small a, warping stress at the corner. So they have given E value, they have given capital E value. So here by seeing this Newton per mm square, easily I can understand kg. Okay, 3 into 10 to the power 5 kg per centimeter square. Okay, mu equal to 0.15. And sometimes they are giving the charts. No, nothing problem. What to calculate warping stress means which formula? These three. 1, 2, 3. So you should get Cx, Cy. Capital E is given, small e is given, T you should calculate T. Here also same thing, T you should calculate. Here also T you should calculate. Okay, same. Now Cx, Cy, where to get? Using this one. This type of a chart is given in the question itself. Okay, in the question itself they have given. K value 0.069. So this is conversion thing, you should understand. I have done, so I am directly writing 6.9 kg per centimeter square. How you have done? 0.069 Newton, okay, Newton to kg divided by 10, okay, 1 by mm, so 1 by mm to 1 by centimeter cube, so mm to centimeter, so 10 to the power minus 1, okay, so it will go to the top, so I am getting 6.9. Similarly for E value, so Newton value to convert kg I have written here, again 10 to the power minus 1 to the power square, so it is 3.5. You should remember all these things. L formula substitution value 87.2. Lx by L, Lx is 11 meter na, so 1100 centimeter, it is 12.61. Cx value from the graph 12.61, get there, it is more than 1. How much I am getting? 1.03. Similarly for this 4.13, I am getting here 0.4 something. How much? 0.55. Okay, some value will be changing. 0.45. So T is per degree, 0.6 for per degree, sorry, per centimeter. Here it is 25, thickness of the slab. So it is 15 centimeter, 15 degree centigrade. So now nothing is there, direct formula. Which formula? This 1, 2, 3, interior edge corner. You can use this, you can use this, whichever is higher, that is the value. Okay, STI, STE, STC, substitution. So 25.61 kg per centimeter square. I am converting and writing it in terms of Newton per mm square. So divided by 100, okay, Newton per mm square. Similarly, 23.18, I am writing it down Newton per mm square. Here it is 7.32, so I am getting 0.073. 0.073. Okay, same. This problem, see, you can see it is repeated for 10 marks. Okay, for 10 marks. You can solve this one. 25, K value, 15 meter, 3.6 meter, same thing. No? Lx, Ly, H value, modulus of reaction K value, temperature differential for day condition 1 degree per centimeter. Means, so total is 25. So 1 degree per centimeter means 25 degrees total difference, 25 degrees. Okay. So they have written alpha, it is actually E value, A into 10 to the power 6. It is E value. 0.15, radius of contact area A equal to 16. Same similar problem only what we have done. So I am not going to solve. This is a solved problem. Solved. Okay, same values. The same type of formula. What is that? What they have given? 25 centimeter, 15 meter interval, 3.6 meter. Okay, K equal to 2.8, 1 degree, alpha, mu, E value. All are same data only. Okay, so it has appeared 2 to 3 times this problem. Okay. So theory questions they are also asking radius of relative stiffness, equivalent radius. Okay, it is given in the explained in the previous videos. Okay, same problem. Once you convert the units, you'll get the answers. No, T is 25, LX LY 13.96. I think it is a different problem. Okay. Some values are changed. K is given LX LY 1 degree per centimeter given alpha E mu A. Small l formula substitution value. Okay, 107.4. Lx by L 13.96. Graph say you can get 1.0. Ly by L 3.33. From graph you can get 2.25. So it is T into 25 into 1. 25 degree per Celsius. Okay. Same three formulas. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Substitution answer is 30. Substitution answer is 28.28. Substitution answer is 8.47. Okay.